Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And yeah, how to be here. And today we'll have to solve an issue like as you can see, my OBS crashed and I actually uninstalled that OBS. And right now while I am installing the latest OBS, and there is a pop-up window which says that OBS files are being used by the following applications: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Please close the applications to continue setup. So how you will solve this issue? So basically, if any applications running in background, you can easily remove it. And yeah, that's the main thing we will have to do. Just find the task manager, and for the task manager you can go right here and search for the task manager. Yes, the task manager is here, and as you can see, the Chrome is already running. So you'll have to just right click, and in the task again, this says also the Microsoft Edge. So we'll have to find the Microsoft Edge. Where is the M? Well, so here is the Microsoft Edge, and we'll also see in the task here. Yeah, gone. So right now we'll just go back to the OBS and retry. And as you can see, it's done. It's working like a charm.